In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a project in Asana. Archiving a project is really useful when you've finished a piece of work, but you don't want to delete it completely. It keeps your workspace tidy while still allowing you to access past information later if you need it. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple process of archiving a project, explain what actually happens when you archive, and share a couple of tips to help you stay organized. First, open Asana in your browser and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace or organization. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a list of your projects. Take a moment to locate the specific project that you want to archive. This might be a completed client project, an old internal initiative, or anything that you no longer need to see in your active list every day. Once you've found the project, move your mouse over its name in the sidebar. Instead of clicking to open it, you're going to right-click directly on the project name. On a mouse, that's the right button. On a trackpad, you can usually use a two-finger click, depending on your settings. Right-clicking here opens a small context menu with several options related to that project. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Archive Project. The wording may be very similar depending on your language and settings, but it will clearly say that you're archiving the project. Go ahead and click Archive Project. As soon as you click it, Asana will move that project out of your active projects list. It won't be deleted, and all of the tasks and conversations inside it will still exist. They're just moved into an archived state, so they no longer clutter up your day-to-day workspace or search results as much. Archiving is especially helpful for keeping your sidebar clean when you work with many projects at once. A good habit is to archive a project as soon as the work is fully complete and you've wrapped up any reporting or follow-up tasks. That way, your active list only shows what still needs your attention. If you ever need to reference an archived project later, you can use Asana's search or project filters to find it and review its tasks, comments, and attachments. And if needed, you can unarchive it from the project menu to bring it back into your active list. That's all there is to it. Locate your project, right-click on its name, choose Archive Project, and enjoy